Timberwolves traded to Chicago on the Jimmy Butler deal is just a wonderful play. Two-time Big East Player of the Year. Bogdanovich knocks it in from three.
And Chris Dunn had almost a 10
with a guy like a Steph Curry. Just think about this. Oladipo, who's on the bench today, his body has changed overnight because he's to play the winter. The fact the schedule is so tough, even though it's been taken back in. This has always been a great. I know it was for me, as you see, Bogdanovich from Sacramento knocked that down, but you get rejuvenated as a player. It makes you just remember why you played the game. You get to see, you know, your greatest heroes as Bogdanovich knocks down another one, and just a great experience as a rookie.
The whole compete with during against in the regular season, and so it is.
Whoa, Bogdanovich! He's gone 4 of 4 from 3. He's from Serbia, and he shot from Serbia. Wow, that was outside.
The Warriors. I mean, he shot the lights out when we just played him a few weeks ago in the Bay Area. So you know he's up for the challenge. Big game player, and that's what you want to see in young players.
Woo, man. Bogdanovich is going nuts. He has been terrific. The flamethrower with 20. 11. Brown's got 24 for the U.S. And Bogdanovich has been a flamethrower.
Yes, he has, man. He is.
That's a nice play.
I would have tore all this if I tried that.
On the landing, just landing.
To get to know some of the guys you competed against, and of course guys you looked up to. Yeah. You know, for me it was guys like Scotty and Mike and Karl Malone and